So my wife Cherie, she's at work, and I went to the dealership just to look, but somehow I ended up buying her a car. She has no idea yet.
It looks nice. This is brown interior. Oh, this is CX-30. This is too small. She don't want that. All right, it's a 2023. She wanted Mazda. This is CX-5, but it's not heads premium package. This joint, so far, it looks pretty because they got it shined up. They use all the buffing and all that good stuff.
It's dirty. We'll do a nice clean up to it, but it's never been smoked in.
Never been smoked in. That's your main thing. Oh, she gonna love this.
Everything brand new in this.
She gonna love this.
Brand new. Heated and cool seats, bowls, heads up display.
Heated and cool seats. I hope I press play with this motherfucker. Okay. Look,
Brand new.
here go the winter mats
Yup.
and carpet mats that never been stepped on. Turn them around. They got Mazda on it or just?
Yeah, they Mazda
No, they.
mats.
Yeah, they Mazda mats.
Most
Open that trunk for me, please.
CX-5.
Let me see. Is the bows in there? Yup.
Bowls.
Got the bows in there.
Yup.
Just like on YouTube. Yes. Here's my queen to be. Look, that's your car. You like that? Yeah.
Oh, the side mirrors automatically fold in.
Yo, you got your automatic folding and shit. You okay? This is just like you got a planer plumber. I got a car dealer, man. I got a car salesman, rather. Yeah, come see him.
Put the all-weather mats in there for you, Sheree. I see.
Ain't that nice? How you like this? It look like it's supposed to look, right?
And the Mazda one.
The cloth mats for the summertime.
Okay.
Real leather seats. Real leather steering wheel wrap. Stitches. The back seat has also heated seats. USB. It had a vanity plate if you want to put on the front of the car. Carpet mats. This is a 40, 20, 40 split seating. You just push this here. Seats go down. If the front seat was up a little further, it goes flat. And if you this goes down singular if you want. Like if you have a patio umbrella or you're moving something, just want that one piece down there. And these move all that. It's 10 speakers in this good thing. New car, smells new, only 20,000 miles. Got a steal. Automatic seats on both sides, front, back, and lumbar for your lower back pain.